welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix Steam downloads keep dropping to 0. If I press resume on this download, as you can see at the minute, it is downloading smoothly. But occasionally it will just drop to 0 and nothing will happen. This is extremely frustrating. The first thing to do to try and fix this issue is just to simply pause your download and try and open Steam again. Just completely close down Steam and reopen Steam. And if that doesn't work, then the next thing to do is click on Steam in the top left hand corner and go down to settings. And you now need to click on downloads, and you now need to just change the download region. We can change this to the closest destination to your home address. I'm in the UK, so I'm going to try and select UK Manchester, which I have actually already tried, and that did work for me. But depending on where you are, depends on what location you choose. Half the time, the reason downloads can go slow is when there's a Steam sale on, or a very popular game that's just been released and everyone wants to download it at the same time. So if you choose another country that's not as populated, then you might get slightly faster download speeds from their server as well. Once you have selected a different server, then all you need to do is press OK and restart Steam again. But whilst you've got Steam closed, I recommend trying to reset your network adapter. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and right click on your network adapter and go open network and internet settings, and you now need to click on change adapter settings, or options should I say. And we now need to right click on our Ethernet adapter and go to disable, and this will disable our network adapter and basically reset everything. If you're not already, I do recommend you plug your network cable directly into your router. This way you will get the fastest, best connection to the internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, I do recommend again that you use cable, as Wi-Fi signals can be a little slow. Once you have finished disabling your network adapter and plugging in your cable directly into your router, you can now re-enable your network adapter by right-clicking and going enable. You can now go ahead and boot Steam up again and see if that helps your download issues. If that still hasn't fixed your download problems, then the next thing to do is click on Steam again in the top left hand corner and go on to settings. You now need to click on clear download cache. Clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps, which is always a good thing. That is something that we want to happen. Please make this happen. So you now need to click on clear download cache and go OK. Just remember, this will clear your local download cache and you will need to log into Steam again. You now need to press OK, and we now need to boot up Steam again. It does automatically close for you, and you do need to type in your login details again. If that did not help, then the next thing to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and you now need to type in netcpl.cpl and press enter. You now need to go across to connections, and we now need to click on LAN settings, and you just need to deselect automatically detect settings and press OK and OK again. And yet again, you can now try Steam again. If that did not work, then the last thing that I can recommend is you just make sure Steam is enabled through your Windows Firewall. To check this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen again and type in Firewall. And you now need to click on allow an app through Windows Firewall. And you now need to scroll all the way down until you find Steam. And you just need to make sure the two checkboxes are ticked. As you can see on mine, they are. which means Steam does have access to the internet. So that is not the issue. The only last thing I can recommend is you check for any Windows updates. Just make sure your system is completely up to date, and if that does not work, then I personally would recommend you uninstall Steam and you try and install Steam again. I know that is not what you want to hear, but if you're not having any luck downloading any games, then you're not really missing out. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.